Hi everyone. Today we got a recovery. Mini bulldozer is rolled over into a drainage ditch. So we're going to go out and see if we can get them out. Alright, here we are on site. Yeah, it's in there pretty deep, but I think we can get it. Okay, we got it all hooked up. Let's see if we can winch it out. While I'm doing it, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave us a comment. Let us know how we're doing. Okay, I think we're ready. Jump in and see if you can go ahead and pull forward on it. Come up out of there. Okay, it is out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.